Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Ashley Herrera and today our lesson plan is going to be on adverbs. What is an adverb? I remember when I was in school, I could never remember the difference between an adverb, a regular verb, an adjective. There were just so many. So if you're a person who can memorize definitions, the definition for an adverb is a word or phrase that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb, or other adverb or a word group, expressing a relation of place, time, circumstance, manner, cause, degree, etc. For example, gently, quiet, then, and there. So if you're like myself and this definition is just way too long to stick in your head, just remember the most important thing to remember when creating an adverb or looking for an adverb is that adverbs modify. Adverbs modify the verbs. If you add an ly at the end, for example, gentle becomes gently, you just created an adverb. Very easy, very simple. Once you just understand adverbs modify. If you can remember adverbs modify, you should be good to go. Why do we use adverbs? Adverbs are important because they provide more information about the word or sentence. Adverbs help explain what the verb is doing. This helps the audience picture how something was done. So some of these examples can be an action word or just adding the ly at the end, but other types of adverbs do include words like here, there, everywhere, inside, underground, upstairs, downstairs. Those are also examples of adverbs used in a sentence of action. Adverbs in literature. Adverbs also describe what and how things are done in literature. Adverbs are great in writing because they help show sophistication and can help expand your vocabulary. So just remember, an adverb is a word that modifies the meaning. It could modify the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb. There are different types of adverbs. I don't expect everyone to memorize each type of adverbs, but I would like you to get familiar with them for this lesson. So different types of adverbs that I believe are important are adverbs of manner, which is how it happens, adverbs of place, where it happens, adverbs of time, when it happens, adverbs of frequency, how often it happens, and adverbs of degree, in what way it does happen. So if you can kind of just remember the manner, place, time, frequency, degree, that's a lot easier than trying to remember everything with the definition by its side. If you just memorize these key words, you can kind of put them together in a way. Like if you're thinking adverbs of place, okay, a place, where it happened. So you would put those two together and you would know that this is a certain type of adverb that is for how it happens or when it happens or how often it happens. Examples of adverbs. Some examples of adverbs are accidentally, boldly, honestly, nervously, usually, eventually, kindly, and the list goes on. So do you notice a pattern here? There is definitely a pattern here with the ly. Most of these words were just singular words until we made them into adverbs. Accident became an adverb, accidentally. Bold became an adverb, became boldly. So that is what we are trying to get familiar with this lesson, is that the modifications of the words with ly. For example, the dog barks loudly. Barks would be the verb, loudly would be the adverb. So that concludes our lesson for adverbs. Next time I would like the class to prepare to learn about conjunctive adverbs. We can join two independent clauses, sentences together using conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverbs show cause and effect, sequence, contrast, comparison, or other relationships. So when we're using conjunctive adverbs, we are also going to be learning about the semicolon and the comma and how to use those when using a conjunctive adverb. So I hope that everybody enjoyed this lesson, and I hope I taught you a little something about adverbs, maybe made it a little bit easier for you to memorize things. And again, I would like the class to prepare for next time, as we will be talking about conjunctive adverbs. Thank you.